Namaste everyone, this is Master Rahul. Today I am going to talk about meditation, dhyana, how to do the meditation, the beginner step. First, sit in any meditative pose, chin mudra, place on your knees. You can play some nice meditative music beside you. Gently close your eyes and bring the awareness toward your breath. Feel your breath tip of the nose, every single inhalation and exhalation. Try to follow your breath. During the inhalation, try to enter in your body. You can feel your breath tip of the nose, your throat, your chest, your lung. During the process, you can feel cool breath and warm breath. These two methods you need to follow. First, once you are trying to inhale, feel your breath tip of the nose, your throat and your lung. Once you are doing exhalation, feel your breath, throat and tip of the nose. During the inhalation, you can feel cool breath enter in your lung. And exhalation, feel warm breath goes out through the nostril. So this easy and simple technique make you meditate. And day by day, once you are practicing this technique, you will get more and more experience. Just keep practice. Namaste.